9:10, the current time. So we've been here since 2:30 in the morning. About that.
1 o'clock.
1?
No, it says 1:02 I stopped. That's the central time. So, yeah.
But we're in mountain time. So then midnight. So 12:02. So we've been here over 9 hours.
See what I'm trying to do here?
What exactly are you trying to do?
I'm putting it on the ice, the packed snow, so I don't slide backwards. And you always leave in freezing temperatures. You always leave your trailer brake engaged, so your brakes don't lock because of the cold. Because if they lock, you're gonna be here for a long time.
How long do you think we're gonna be here?
It's gonna be a minute. Let's just get comfortable. All those truckers, they're not leaving because we can't. It's 7% grade. If we take off right now, there's a chance we crash. I'm not doing that. Just to try to make time. I have 3 days to get to this place.
Yep.
Even if we have to sit here until the morning.
Well, yeah, maybe when the sun hits it. I mean, because it's just ice. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's just ice. Yeah.
Well, you know what I mean. Like when the sun hits it, it's gonna melt. It's a thin
of
layer
course.
of ice.
But these people are
the
supposed to drop. They're supposed to drop salt.
Yep.
Why are they not dropping salt? They just driving up and down.
Where are we?
Look at this crazy guy.
Yeah, that's fast.
That's stupid. Very stupid.
So we're on 260?
Yeah.
Arizona 260? Are we in Flagstaff or outside of Flagstaff?
No. I didn't take that way. You know, I should have taken. Now that I was thinking when I was going up, like, this is a state road. And Flagstaff 17 is it's an interstate. They take care of them better than they take care of the state roads.
So maybe we should have done that.
Yeah, but then again, I thought that these guys would be on it. Like, there's 3 plow trucks and they're not throwing no salt now. What's the point? The minute we see them throwing the salt, that's when we can take off. But in the meantime, get comfortable.
Yep.
Because I ain't going anywhere until they throw that. That guy that was driving down the road, he's reckless. You're not supposed to do that. He might be a regular here or something that he does it because he's obviously from a farm, a local farm or something, but So it's a sheet of ice.
How many trucks are behind us?
Like 7. And turn the wheel to the left. You know that.
Yep. Just prevent you from going downhill. That's it looks cold out there. Time for a nap. Thor's first time using his boots. He's eating the snow. So we've been here since 2 o'clock in the morning. It is 8 a.m. Mountain Time. Jose just signaled to me to press the brake so the truck doesn't stop from idling. And then I'm supposed to do something with the cruise control here. Hold on. I'm supposed to take it up to 10. Money. I don't think everybody wants to watch the dog poop, but it was pretty funny and cute. Officer came by, said that the accident should be all cleared up within an hour or so. And we keep on heading towards Memphis. He's still eating this. Yeah, he's eating the snow. Remember the old Got Milk commercials? That's what Thor looks like right now with a snow mustache. Oh gosh, what's happening here? It's cold. Yeah, they're done. Guys, I'm not even exaggerating. There was like at least four plow trucks that passed us. That, I don't know, and the truck's leaking on me again. What the hell?
Right there.
That's what I mean. Like, this is. It's leaking.
They build them too fast.
Huh?
They don't seal it properly.
Yeah, like I can put. You're absolutely right, because that's ridiculous. This is all filled with water, honey. Great. But yeah, if they threw salt down here, and maybe, you know, if people weren't speeding on a freaking mountain covered with ice.
Better have that camera ready for whatever is down there.
Oh, it's recording. Thankfully, Jose made the right decision last night to park the truck. To give you some insight, Arizona State Road 87 is a major highway that cuts through mountainous terrains, connecting many of the state's cities and towns. However, due to the lack of preparation for ice-covered roads and the lack of salting on 87, multiple truck accidents occurred and caused us to be delayed for over 9 hours. This situation highlights the importance of being prepared for the winter weather and the circumstances that you may find yourself in. It's smart to keep supplies such as dry food, water, extra blankets, a winter vehicle emergency kit, and even a portable car battery charger. Stay safe out there and remember to subscribe.